right, now let's talk about how to create your own questions and polls. Remember, this is one of the best things about this community because it gets people interacting with each other and it starts conversations. So if you have any kind of question that you can provide multiple choice answers or answers that are on a spectrum or answers that require percentage as an answer, throw them in here. Like, it's going to get some really interesting conversations going. All right. So the first thing that we can do is just ask a question. If you're looking for some advice, you need some advice on a recipe, on a food product, anything and everything you can think of, then we would simply type in our text and click on this pie graph here, and it automatically converts it into a question, which means that when we post it, it's going to show up as some bold text and prompt everyone else to share an answer. Now, if I want to turn this into a multiple choice, I would simply click on the question, click on multiple choice, and now I have the ability to share up to 5 different specific answers. Now, if I want to turn this into a hot-cold post or positive-negative post, then I would simply click on hot-cold, and I would ask my question, and I would make sure to clarify what we mean by hot or positive or cold or negative. Remember, the answer here is going to be answered on a spectrum. So these are really good for questions that don't really have a yes or no or definitive, one side or another answer. Usually most people are going to fall somewhere on a spectrum or in the middle. And then finally, we have a percentage poll. So we'd click here, click on percentage, and we'd ask a question where the answer is going to be somewhere on the spectrum of 0 to 100%. Now, if you're going to create a question and then all of a sudden you change your mind and you just want to do a post, to get out of the question mode here, you simply X the poll, and then you would see that it turns back into a normal post.